Hey guys, today we are going to be going over dividing by powers of 10. It's kind of a preview for some things we're going to be doing going forward, okay? So we've got 630 divided by 7. So when we're dividing by powers of 10, we're looking at 63 divided by 7. Some of you might remember this boxing part, okay? So 63 divided by 7 is 9. Okay, and then since there's a 0 here, we add on that 0 there. Okay, that's one type of problem that we may have to do. Okay, another type would look like this, number 2, where we have 81 being divided by 9. Okay, that will give us 9. Now, since there are zeros with both numbers, I can cross out and get rid of 1 here and get rid of 1 there. My answer would just be 9. Okay, we're able to do that when both the dividend and the divisor have common zeros. All right. So in this first problem, there was only a 0 here, so that got it onto my added onto my answer. This problem, I was able to cancel some of them out. All right. But now, if I was to go to a problem a little bit later, like this one here, okay, we have 8 divided by 1, which would be 8. And then this has a 0, so I cross it out, and this has a 0, so I cross it out. There's still a 0 left here, so I take that 0 and I add it on at the end. Okay, so sometimes you may cancel out zeros and have something left, and if you do, then you still take that 0 and you add it on to your answer. Okay, one of the bigger problems that we sometimes run into is a problem that looks like this, number 25. All right. Number 25 says 4,000 divided by 8. A lot of people say, okay, 4 divided by 8 is 2. 4 divided by 8 is not 2. Okay, you cannot do 4 divided by 8 in this problem. What you have to do is box up this 40 and do 40 divided by 8. Okay, 40 divided by 8 is 5. Okay, and then there are 2 zeros left over here, so we're going to add those zeros, both of them, onto our answer. All right, so just make sure you're careful and you don't make that mistake, which is a very, very, very common mistake. So just like up in here, number 6, okay, you can't do 4 divided by 8, which is what we just said, so then you have to do 40 divided by 8, which would be equal to 5, and then add on the 0 would make it 50. All right, so just make sure you're careful about your dividend and your divisor and dividing correctly. All right, if you have any questions, send me a question in the comments, guys. All right, good luck.